Hello, welcome to Get Data Solution. Today I'm very much excited to just present the contents of the book, which is recently released, Computer Skills That Increase Your Productivity. So we'll begin today from part one, which is home, and in particular we'll discuss about dictate function today. So we can find dictate function under home, and here is the dictate function, and I will click that and use it for practical purpose. Just before practically using it, and let's see how it is actually used and for what function we can use it. Dictate is used to write in a text form from audio, and it is found in home, and it is extremely useful to make writing faster, and so it is particularly important that it is a good practice to use it. So this dictate function is for making our writing faster, and it's actually a good practice for using it. So that is it. And for what practical purpose can I use it? For practical use, when and for what purpose should I use it? We will discuss here again. We can use it, dictate function, for language learning practice, especially speaking practice. We can use for that purpose. In just for our productivity increment, we can use for answering LTC practice questions, and you can use it for YouTube, especially for writing description for YouTube. We can use it for report generation, for articles writing, for blog, and for teaching kids. So we'll practically see how that can be actually used in real time. So we can use it for those functions. So let me actually use it for answering these questions. The first one is, tell me about yourself. Do you work or are you a student? I will answer for both the student and for the worker. And do you agree with the claim that climate change is real? Is another question. And I will also try to answer for teaching kids, showing parts of the body. So we'll practice that one here. So I'll go to home and click on the dictate. Yes, actually I'm a student, and currently I'm learning in the University of Quantic, and I'm learning for my MBA degree in the field of project management and data science. Currently, I'm actually working as M&D officer in one of NGO in the country, and I'm actually serving in this position for at least 10 years. So actually, we have to edit the answers as much as possible, and for example, I can just add comma, and actually I'm a student and currently I'm learning in the University of Quantic, and I'm learning for my MBA degree in the field of project management and data science. So for the second answer, currently I'm actually working as M and E officer in one of uh, NGO of the country, and I'm actually serving an NGO. So we have to edit it, and I'm actually serving. This is double. We have to remove. I'm actually serving in the position for at least 10 years. So that is the answer, and we have to edit it so that it will actually make sense. Let's continue for the other part, which is, do you agree with the claim that climate change is a real? Climate change is a real phenomena. Currently, we are actually seeing in most parts of the world. We are actually observing extreme weather conditions in the form of scorching heat and flooding and spread of disease that actually affect the life and the livelihood of people. Sometimes that is actually affecting seriously uh, human being and animals. So from the facts that's actually experiencing in recent years, and from the data that's actually showing the extreme cases, I can actually agree with the claim that the climate change is a real phenomenon. So everyone as an individual as well as a collective should actually contribute for this climate change cause in terms of climate change adaptation or mitigation. So yes, I agree with the claim. So this is written, and I have to actually edit again. This is, for example, recently. We have to delete double words. So finally we can have final answer as indicated here. So we may actually need further editing, so it's actually make our life easy in terms of actually making the writing easy for us and faster. We will be faster. Let's answer for teaching kids show parts of the body. So I have to again click the dictate function here. Parts of the body. Here is a head. Here is an ear, neck, hand, mouth, chest, knee, leg, and foot. So we can actually use this function to teach our kids and actually that will actually help us especially when you actually make the learning very interactive for the kids, since kids like the interaction. So we can actually use this dictate function to teach our kids. So I can rearrange the arrows accordingly. Let me again use for some pictures. Here is a woman raising her hand